Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you how to remove sound from your video clip in the timeline in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. There are two ways to remove sound from a video. One of the first way is that you can easily come to the video clip in the timeline right here. Right click on it. Then you can go ahead and click on separate audio and video right here. And here you have different timeline, so you can easily click on the audio file and press delete key on your keyboard and the video become mute. If you play the video right here, you find out that there's no sound. Okay, so if I press Ctrl Z, it brings back the audio. So let me quickly show you on how to the second method to mute sound or remove sound from a video. Now let's play the video now with the sound. Welcome back to another interesting video. You can hear the sound from the video right here. Now, this other method by which you can use to remove sound from video is that you come back to the clip in the timeline, right click on the clip, and next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on silent audio right here, or you press Shift plus S on your keyboard, and then this audio is going to be removed. Let's go back and play the video. We found out that the video is played where there is no single sound from the video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.